Hello and welcome to General College Physics 2. It's a standard non-calc based course. A very typical second semester college course. The first semester that came right before this one here at Concordia is on a separate playlist. The audience for this is twofold. One are my students at Concordia, and two are those of you coming here from the GNL project. This will be its own full playlist. We will also use some of these videos will appear in the playlist for physical chemistry, Introduction to Physical Chemistry 1, 2, and 3. This is sort of a freshman level physical chemistry sequence. So if you're coming from that, you might be seeing some of these videos as well. Well, my name is Darren Olness. I'm in the Department of Chemistry at Concordia College in Moorhead, Minnesota in the United States. My webpage is here, and I will be taking you to the computer soon to look at our course webpage. For the Concordia students, this is not a substitute for coming to class. We will do a lot of things in class and be able to work in groups and that sort of thing. So very important that this is not used in place of class. This could be a very good preview if you like to hear about what we're going to say before a lecture, or be a good review after we've gone through lecture. The homework, the group work, that'll all be done through the regular part of the course. For the GNL project, if you're coming from this, this is not going to be a complete class. For the reasons that I mentioned up here, we have a lot of in-class work, working with groups and other things, so you won't be able to experience that. So I really encourage you to pick up a textbook. The book that we're using, I'll talk about that when we go to the webpage. That is something you could buy, but it's a very expensive book because it's in the most current edition, which is the 4th edition. All of general physics is very much the same for many, many years. So what I would encourage you to do is go to a used book place, such as Aid Books or something like that, and see if you can find, for less than $15, a general college physics book. Now you'd have to be a little bit careful because there's calc-based and non-calc-based. If you want to follow along with this course, I would suggest the non-calc-based. That will usually be called college physics, general physics, something like that. If you see something like university physics or physics for scientists and engineers, that's usually a tip-off that it is a calc-based course. All right, let's go to the computer here now, and we can see where our course page is. I'll show you around that a little bit and talk about a few things there. Okay, so let's go to Google here, and we will just type in Darren Olness, or you can just go darrenolness.com. And so I'll appear here at Concordia, but you want to choose my own personal page here. Now, go to teaching. You can either click on teaching and find general college physics, or you can pull the drop down and find general physics. This has both the first semester and the second semester on there. If you want the course notes for the first semester, you can click on that button that has the full notes, and then the course video lecture links to the playlist here on the GNL channel. All right, we're talking about Physics 112 here, as it's called at Concordia, or General College Physics 2. Let's look at the syllabus really quickly. So the book we are using is Knight, Jones, and Field College Physics, 4th edition. So try to find the 2nd edition or 3rd edition, and hopefully you can get that very cheaply. Otherwise, there's a whole host of many other books that would work just fine. Okay. The schedule right here. So if you do want to pace yourself and follow along through the semester, will be that way. It will be that. The videos will come out faster. Now, let me jump quickly to the video lecture here. Right now, we just have the first lecture, but this will keep coming out now regularly every other day until we run out of videos. So it'll start to get ahead of the course pretty significantly, and so you can just kind of follow along that way. Course notes, again, this will be largely what I put on the board, but I'll say some things that aren't in here, and then there'll be some things in here that are. You'll notice that I also have the homework that would be assigned here at Concordia. So if you are following along with this textbook, you could, if you want, do the same problems we're doing. Otherwise, you could certainly, any of the problems would be great. Okay, I do want to mention this virtual recitation. So here are some problems that either I made up or, as in this case here, I got from some other books. So this has the problem and the work solution. So you may want to just cover up the work solution at first and try it. And then if you want to see the video solution, the worked out solution to that, you can just click on that. I'm not putting these up on YouTube directly. One, some of the problems aren't mine, like this one here. I have this is from a different book. And then two, if they are active problems out there, even though most of them are ones that I made up, it's just, I don't know, just keep it here for us. Okay. All right, so I think that's it. Welcome to the course, and please feel free to reach out via the comment section. I try to answer as fast as I can with that and be as helpful as I can, and good luck with your studies.